We'll guide you through how to make and create a Discord account on a mobile phone. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With Discord, you can message people, join servers, and more. First of all, go and open up the Discord app. You can get this from the Play Store or the App Store. Come down to the bottom here and tap on register. You can register with a phone or email. In this case, I'll use an email. Let me go and type mine in. Enter it and press next. You can then choose your display name. This doesn't have to be unique, so it can just be your name. For example, me, it's Tucker. Now what you need to do is go and set a username. This does have to be unique. So as you can see, say if I just want Tucker, that will be taken. So in this case, I can have Tucker Guide, which is available. And then what I can do is set a password, and you'll need to then enter in your date of birth, which I'll do now. Press confirm and make sure you've read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. I've already read them, and I'll then click on create an account. I'll need to confirm I'm human. Discord can go and help find your friends if you want to, and you can sync your contacts. I'll press skip there, and I'll then go and press skip in the top right as well. Go and choose a profile icon. I'll use one of these, but you can go and click on the plus and choose one from your camera roll if you want to. And that's it. Here we are on Discord. To give you a quick run through, you've got home at the bottom, notifications, and you. So on the home, you can go and start adding friends at the top here, and you can join and create servers by clicking the plus over to the left and doing that there.